Today seems like a good day to do an oil change. Anyways, good morning YouTube. I literally just woke up now. Luke's starting to burn a little bit too much oil, so I'm just gonna go ahead and decide to do an oil change early. So I've been doing my oil changes with Oscar, Lewis, and Abdul, so I don't have an oil pan drain. And this door just slapped the base. We're about to go ahead and go get the oil pan drain. Oh, I got a new jack as well, so you guys are gonna be able to see that. Works really well. I'm gonna use the jack stands. I already have the oil filter and I already have the oil, so we're about to go to Walmart because I forgot to buy the pad. And I just realized that now. So the goal is to try to do the oil change in under 5 minutes. Let's see how fast I can do it. It's not my first time doing the oil change on the Z, so let's go. Let's show you my daily sponsor. You always gotta have your knife. Won't focus. Where is it even at? And your dad gloves. You don't have one of these, you're gonna hurt yourself. Trying to take out a bolt and your hand gets loose, you're gonna scrape across your seat. Trust me, it's happened to me by experience. Anyways, here goes my new jack. Should fit without any planks like I usually do in my other videos, or using 2 jacks to lift it up. Should fit first time, pull it up, and that should be all it. Hopefully, that should be it. 2 jack stands. Here goes the oil you should be using. Filters on the other side. 5W30, Motor 1, full synthetic. And yeah, I'll show you guys the filter later because it's in somewhere in the car, one of them seats. So let's go ahead and buy this thing because I have class in like an hour. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. So with the cold start, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what my oil pressure is always like. I don't know why before it's starting to get an oil change, but it always like it's always below a little bit. Yeah, right there. It's always below that. I don't know why. Usually when I do the oil change, it's about at 60 in the middle without driving, and then it goes up as you incline in speed. So yeah, now I'm only gonna let this warm up for 30 seconds because that's what the manual says. Some of you guys say 3 hours, 40 hours, telling me to sit here for like 15 minutes and let the car fully warm up. But if the manual says 30 seconds before go, I believe so. Maybe if it's cold, I'll let it sit. Go ahead and believe that. If you guys want to argue and slander on the comment section, go ahead, because I'll read it and I'll take it into consideration. But at the end of the day, I'm probably gonna keep doing this. I'm a busy boy. New fun fact, I'm getting this weird noise. I'm pretty sure it's from my cracked bumper. I hit a bump, not a bump, but I scraped pretty hard yesterday night. Might have to be putting that on there too. But yeah, car life, bro. Things just start randomly disengaging themselves. It's just a little fun clip for y'all. Just a little something for you guys. Just a little small fun, you know? Wish I had a GoPro so you guys can just see everything, but I don't. Support me. You soon will have one though. Wow. Alright, we're at Advanced Auto. For some odd reason, I always like have my hood up, even though I'm not doing anything with buying all the time. I always do that. Anyways, it's a train. Walk this out. Alright, this is pretty much what you want to change your oil, because I've never specified a part number for it. This doohickey right here is a 15-quart drain container. So naturally, if you have a 350, in really any car. Most cars use 5 quarts, so you're pouring 5 quarts in. This can hold 15, so this can hold you for 3 oil changes before you have to change, you know, before you have to drain it out. And if you're wondering where you can drain one from, you can go to an advanced or AutoZone and they take your oil for you. So I'm about to go ahead and purchase this. It's $10. See what happens. And I'll also ask the question so you guys can get confirmation. Oh, thank you. Alright, pretty much got it. And I forgot to record it when I asked the question of whether or not they take oil. And yes, they do. So you guys should be good on that. But here goes the oil pan. It's not fancy. I mean, it shouldn't be fancy. Just a small hot water. You know, pour oil. The drain filter is here, so you just put it under here and it goes in the bottom. And then when you want to drain it out, you use that right there. And you should be good. So yeah, here goes your basic oil filter or whatnot that you should use. Now put this in the trunk because my trunk doesn't hold up on its own. So put the camera down. Since I'm in the car now, here goes the oil filter we'll be using. An M1 110A Mobile 1 Extended Performance. You can read the rest. But this is what we will be using to change the oil filter. It's really self-explanatory. If you know what you're doing, you should know what you're doing after this video because that's what I do, right? Great. It said it was going to rain at 12, not even 12, 3 o'clock, and I'm starting to see rain in these clouds. So let's really hurry up back because if I don't do this, I'm gonna be very upset. See you guys in a quick jiffy. Alright, back at the place. Let me close the door for it. This line's on there makes this door look any worse. But I really can't tell on camera, but there are so many marks and places that needs to be fixed. Maybe I'll do looking at the camera screen. Let's do it. But here's all the stuff we're gonna use to lift it. This is why I say get this jack. Fits immediately with the type of lowering that I have on this side, which is the lowest point of the car is the front. Regular jack has no problem getting under here, so you should definitely get this in like 2 pumps. I should do it, but I'm gonna hurry up and do this. I think I'm not gonna show you guys jacking the car, whatever. You guys should probably do that by now. But yeah, so let's go ahead and start. All right, guys, I went ahead and skipped ahead. Skip quick for you guys. So I'm about to get ready to go ahead and drain the oil. I want to put my camera bigger, so I'm gonna give you guys the gist of it. I'm gonna start my timer after. So you guys can see a little bit better. So the drain plug is located right here. It's supposed to be a 14, I believe, 14 millimeter, but I can use a 15. I hope I don't strip it because I don't have a 14 in this toolkit. I don't know why. Maybe my metrics are different. You guys can tell me that in the comments later. And then you have the oil filter. Take out the drain plug first, right here. Then you take out the oil filter with this filter wrench. You can buy these at Advanced Auto Parts, Walmart. They're everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my timer on my phone. I'm probably not gonna record anything because I have nowhere to hold this camera and I don't have anyone helping me. So yeah, let me bring on my phone. I'm using this dad glove here, so okay, so the goal is to get to 5 minutes. I'm about to start the timer right now. Okay, so I picked the wrong timer and that looked all types of weird and jank, so we're starting right now. Guys, we're at 4 minutes right now. It looks like I'm not going to make it. and I just got out the oil filter that's sitting right there, and I've drained the oil. So next is to put the oil filter back on, the drain plug back on, and what else? Put oil in. Of course, dummy. Oh yeah, guys, when putting on a new oil filter, make sure you lubricate the surrounding of this. Like, just get a real good lube on it so it doesn't leak. And at 10 minutes 97 seconds, so able to pour the last drop in for oil. So guys, we didn't make 5, but we made 10 minutes. That's good, I guess. Some average mechanics do 7, so I think we're good here. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video now because I gotta go to class in like a couple minutes. Not even a couple minutes, very soon. So I'm gonna put the car down, run it. Of course, you guys gotta remember to let the car run with the oil. Don't start driving it yet, so it can get to at least operating temperature, so the oil can, you know, transition through all the parts that use oil in the car. I don't know about yet, but yeah, let me go ahead and close you guys out. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, you should go to subscribe. You see what I just did, right? I'm an idiot, and you see what I just did. All right, go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and like, and I'll catch you guys later in the next one. Peace.